Hey, hello everyone. So in this video I'm going to show you how to download and install VirtualBox. So just go to Google and type download VirtualBox, okay? And I'm going to do it in Windows, okay? Just click the first link virtualbox.org, and here we'll be having list of OSs that is supports VirtualBox, okay? So I'm having Windows, so I will download Windows. So if you're having any other OS, you can just download it. So it's about 103 MB in size, so just wait for the download to complete. So once the download is complete, you will be after opening it, you will be getting the VirtualBox setup. Just click next over here, and here this will show you the list of that is applications that is going to be installed. And if you want to change the location, you can just change location. For me, default is perfect. I will just click next, and these are basically just shortcuts. You can just click next, and that's it. Proceed installation. Just click on yes. This is a very straightforward installation process. So can wait for some time. So it'll be asking, would you like to install this device software? Just click install, okay? And that's it. Your VirtualBox will be completed. So just click, check that option and just click finish, and your VirtualBox will be opening automatically. So that's it. We have opened. If you have any ISO file, you can just go and add it, and you can create any virtual OS over there. So that's it for this video. And my program channel. I run tutorials in C, C++, Java, Blender, and Unity. So do subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.